Hello students, class 12th. I am very happy to represent you a new topic regarding your chapter number 13, a poem written by John Milton on his being arrived at the age of 23. And this is a sonnet. This is a sonnet written by John Milton, and it is called the Miltonic sonnet. So, in this poem, if I put a question before you, what do you mean of the word sonnet? So the answer is given as it is in your sonnet. Sonnet consists of first 8 lines called octave. There are 14 lines in the sonnet, and it consists of octave, 8 lines, and sestet, 6 lines. 8 lines and 6 lines. Okay, and 8 plus 6 is equal to 14, and it is called the 14 iambic pentameter line. So sonnet means a word derived from the Italy, and it means a little sound. Okay, and it means a little sound, and it is called a song, and it is called a song. Okay, and there is a couplet. Couplet means a concluding line of the poem, and rest 12 lines are called quatrain. Rest 12 lines of the above in the poem are called the quatrain. Each quatrain consists of 4 lines. Each quatrain consists of 4 lines, and each quatrain consists of 4 lines, and there are 3 quatrains. It means 12 lines. And there is a couplet, as I mentioned you earlier. There is a couplet. Couplet means a concluding. Couplet means a concluding line. A sonnet is a little sound in a song, derived from the Italian word sonetti, means sound. Okay, so in this poem you will see there are 3 kinds of sonnets written. Okay, there are 3 kinds of sonnet written. First, that is Horatian sonnet. Second, that is Spenserian sonnet, and third one, that is Petrarchan sonnet. Horatian, Spenserian, and Petrarchan. Okay, and Petrarchan sonnet divided once in Shakespearean sonnet and in Miltonic sonnet. So Shakespearean sonnet, you know, Shakespearean sonnet and Petrarchan sonnet, Miltonic sonnet. Okay, in this way you go through the. So what did I mention you? I mentioned you in the above 8 lines, it means octave, will complain or will put questions on the God by the poet John Milton in his opening line on his being arrived at the age of 23. Dear students, we all celebrate our birthdays, and we celebrate our birthdays as grand, magnificent way and in happiest manner. In the same way, John Milton also celebrates his 24th birthday. By celebrating his birthday, he remembers his 23 years, in which he includes that what did I earn and what did I lose. So, what did he earn and what did he earn and what did he lose? He count. So, what did he find? The subtle thief time. Subtle thief time stolen his 23 years. He complains to God. By complaining to God, he found without being mature. Without being mature means, maturity means, do you know? Maturity means either you understand the right and wrong, means are you able to put reasons or not. That is called the maturity. But here the poet refers this word for his poetic talent. Being as a poet, he did not reach to the peak of the poetic talent. He is still waiting for it, and he complains it that though I am a poet but could not reach to the master of art in literature, still he is waiting. And subtle thief time. Subtle thief means time. Time theft his 23 years and he could not able to understand what did he earn. Still today, celebrating his 24th birthday, he remembers the days when he start composing some poetries, poems, songs and other. And there are two very famous epics written by him. First, that is Paradise Lost and Paradise Regained. He took some very interesting points from the Bible and he translated it through heaven and hell, in which a Satan who was in concern of eating the apple in heaven and bestowed by the God, and he lost his place in the heaven and sent to the earth, that is known as the hell, where he bear and tolerates all the sufferings of life. Okay, but today here we are discussing on the matter sonnet on his being arrived at the age of 23. So poet want the justification of God. What was the reason that I could not get maturity? Maturity means I did mention you earlier, but now again I would like to include my own thought on it. When we become mature intellectually, spiritually, or in poetic talent, or when you become the master of your own subject, it is called the maturity. So poet has no maturity still. He is wasted his 23 years and could not get his supremacy of intellectual power, peak of the poetic talent. But he also admits that it's the wish of God. He is the taskmaster. Whatever the task I have given by the God is still with me, and someone get at the proper time, someone get after the time, and someone get or someone still struggles for it in the same way. It's very important that it is the wish of God, it is the wish of taskmaster. I don't have any right to put questions on him. And another thing that he want to insist through this poem, through this song, that he metaphorically put some questions on the God, that he remembers there are 4 seasons: summer, spring, autumn, and winter. Summer is known as the maturity of the season. Spring known as the spring known as the season of buds and blossoms, where all the buds and blossoms blooms and bring out their fragrance, their sweet fragrance out in the garden. And it is the time of reproduction of new fruits, and through this he wants to appeal that I became young. I became young means buds and blossoms are symbolized or metaphorically put by the poet that it is the sign of youth. And I became youth in spring season, but I could not bloom like a poetic talent I did not get. So he admits that without having blooms in a maturity, I get 23 years of age. So autumn is also known as the season of getting old age, and winter is fully old age. So in these seasons are metaphorically compared by the poet that without being arrived at the age of buds and blossoms, I became mature. But I am not mature because I did not get my poetic talent. So he complains again and again to God. But at last he also appeals and insists that it is the wish of the master of task. So what I do? What can I do? What should I do? And he repent on his ages that I could not get achievements in poetics and poetic talents. Still he describes some of the important lines regarding the poetry, that time is being subtle thief who theft his 23 years of age, and being arrived at the age of 24 he became blind also, he don't forget it, and he could not achieve it. Now he cannot see the bird and the beauty of the bird, whether the bird looks beautiful or not. So in this regard he justify the age, he justify the time, he blames on the God, and in this regard he admits that I am still waiting to get the poetic talent through this poetry, and I hope sure I will get it in my further age, and I will touch the poetic talent. And really, after being blind, he has written Paradise Lost and Paradise Regained, an epic, and became popular. He has taken birth in 1608, and his sonnets are known as the Miltonic sonnet, and he was famous after the Shakespearean sonnet. So it is the sonnet that I taught you here. Comment me please and go through the poem. If you have any problem, please put your queries and comments in the comment box and ask me related questions about the sonnet, about the poem, about the poet. I will be happy to listen you. Please comment me and go through the poem. Have a nice day. Thanks.